Uh-oh, in the light of day, another porch pirate strikes. In the dark of night, you wish there was more light, but the cost of wired security systems and electric lights are out of sight. You need Bionic Spotlight Extreme from Bell & Howell, the wireless solar-powered motion-activated light that looks like a high-tech security camera by day and is a powerful motion-activated security and safety spotlight by night. Simply slide the Bionic Extreme into the mounting bracket and position the solar panel where it can store the sun's energy during the day to shine bright all night. And the Bionic Extreme Spotlight utilizes 360-degree pivoting rotational technology that lets you direct the light anywhere and in any direction you want more light. Look, the blinking light means the light is on duty, and the instant motion is detected, the Bionic triggers 6 ultra-bright high-beam LED bulbs that shower the area with light, and the light automatically shuts off when the motion stops. With Bionic, you get porch protection during the day with instant added security light at night. And with its all-season weather-resistant, watertight design, Bionic shines bright in the most extreme conditions year-round. No more coming home with the kids in the dark or working outside without light. And since it's fully adjustable with 360-degree rotational versatility, you can direct the light exactly where you want it. Whether it's for your added safety and peace of mind, to keep an eye on pets in the yard, or for outdoor fun that goes long into the night, Bionic Extreme is the right light right where you need it. The Bionic Extreme Spotlight.